Hello students, hope you all are fine at your homes. Today we will do exercise 3.8 of chapter number 3, playing with number. This is the last exercise of this chapter. With this the unit 1 syllabus is over. So before we start this exercise, I want to tell you the relationship between the HCF and LCM. Suppose that any two numbers are given to you, then their HCF of two number multiply with their LCM is equal to product of two numbers. The meaning of this is that suppose that any two number are given to you, जो वो टू नंबर्स होंगे उनका HCF और LCM we have to find out, and we will multiply the HCF with the LCM, and we will also multiply the two numbers, the product of two number, they are same. Let's do the sum. The first question is, for each of the following pairs of numbers, verify the relationship between the HCF and LCM. In this we have to verify the relationship, means that we have to verify this, that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of two number. See, in the first part the number which are given to you are 64 and 84. Firstly, we will find out the HCF of 64 and 84 by division method. You see that 84 is divided by 64. It will be goes on 1. The remainder left 20. Now this remainder becomes the divisor, and this divisor 64 becomes the dividend. It will be goes on 3. 20, 3 is 60. Again remainder left 4. Then this remainder becomes the divisor, and 20 becomes the dividend. So it will be goes on 5. The remainder is 0. It means the HCF of 64 and 84 is 4. This divisor is the HCF of the 64 and 84 is 4. Now we will find out the LCM of 64 and 84. LCM of 64 and 84 is equal to, see here, the 64 and 84 is written in one row. By the division method we are finding the LCM. Divided by 2, 64 divided by 2, the quotient is 32. 84 is also divided with the 2, the quotient is 42. Again divided by 2, 32 divided by 2, 16. 42 divided by 2, 21. Divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 8. 21 is an odd number which is not divided by 2, so it is written as same as 21. Divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. 21 same, it is written 4 divided by 2, 2. 21, 2 divided by 2, the quotient is 1 and 21 is same. Then it will be goes on 3. Because 21 is an odd number, dot divided by the 2. So 1, 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 divided by 7, the answer is 1 and 1. Now the LCM of 64 and 84 is equal to, we will multiply these number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, sorry. Then when we multiply these number, these one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Our answer is 1344. After multiplying these number, our answer is 1344. Now HCF multiplied by LCM. The HCF of 64 and 84 is 4, that we are finding earlier, and LCM is 1344. When 1344 is multiplied with the 4, our answer is 5376. And see that the product of two numbers is equal to, it means we will multiply 64 multiplied by 84. When this 64 is multiplied with the 84, again our answer is 5376. You can see that beta, the HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to 5376, and when we multiply these both numbers 64 and 84 which are given to you, our answer is 5376. You can see that both the numbers are same. It means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means the HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So hence it is verified.